Now let's see some of the library functions which are used to read a character and print a character. Now character input and output. Okay, now see this getChar. getChar is a library function which will be used to get an input character from a stream. It reads the next input character from a text stream and returns that as its value. Now if you observe it, what is a text stream is, it is nothing but sequence of lines, and each line will contain many characters and each line will end with a new line. Okay, now by writing getChar, we are going to read one character, and whatever character we read, we are going to store it in C. That is, this line is going to do that. So C has to be a variable of type char. Now the variable C contains the next character of the line. Okay, putChar C means if you are trying to print C onto the output screen, you can see this putChar. Now putChar prints a character each time it is called. So let's see the example. Let's see the program how it looks like. Now copy the input to output. Let us say we want to just copy the input and simply print it to the output. Okay, void main void int C equal to getChar, which means we are reading a character, and while C is not equal to end of the file. So as long as C is not equal to end of the file, we are going to putChar. putChar means we are going to print that character. And again, after we print a character, we read the next character, C equal to getChar. Are you getting this? Initially we get the first character in the stream and we check whether it is end of the file or not. As long as it is not end of the file, we keep on printing the characters in the output, and we read a character and we print a character, and that is going to happen forever. Okay, as long as you don't reach the end of the file. Now if you observe this, here we have used getChar once and here we have used getChar once. Now we can just optimize the code. Instead of using it 2 times, what you could have done is simply we could have written it as C equal to like this, C equal to getChar here itself, right? And then as long as getChar is not equal to end of the file, you could have written it this way, right? And now you could have removed this statement and also this statement. So this is also going to do the same thing. So what is that we are going to do is, every time we are going to read a character and test whether it is equal to end of the file or not. If it is not equal to the end of the file, we are simply going to print it. Okay, fine. Now where does it read the data from and where it will print is, if you don't specify any files as input and output, it is going to read the data from the keyboard and it is going to print the data onto the monitor. In case if you want to provide some input file and output file, you can do that. For example, if you want this program, let's say you have compiled this code and after compiling you got a.out. Now you are going to execute it. So /a.out, let us say you are going to execute it, okay, at the command prompt. Now to this, if you want to provide some file as input, you can put this less than symbol and then you can say in file. So this is the name of some file. Now what will happen is, this particular program will open this file, and in this file it will take character one by one and it will keep on printing onto the output screen as long as it doesn't meet the end of the file. Once it meets the end of the file, it is going to stop there, right? Otherwise, if you put like this, then it will read the characters from this in file and it will keep on writing the characters onto the out file. Okay, fine.